here. Evolutionists' claims go up in flames. Mississippi mud and the Big Bang dud. The size of the Mississippi River Delta divided by the rate the mud is being deposited gives an age of less than 30,000 years. The flood nose day could have washed out 80% of the mud there in a few hours or days. Oh, so 4,400 years is a reasonable age for the delta. The oldest living tree defies evolution theory. The oldest living tree in the world is about 4,300 years old. The oldest coral reef to the Big Bang theory is a grief. The oldest living coral reef is less than 4,200 years old. Ho ho ho, red giant. Evolutionists teach that red giant stars change into white dwarf stars over millions of years, yet Sirius is an example of a red star becoming white within the past 2,000 years. Ancient astronomers recorded that Sirius glowed red in the sky, yet now it is categorized as white. Obviously, the evolutionist opinions of the length of time to change our giant star into a white dwarf star are incorrect. Moon and tides. Moon and tides defy the evolutionist strides. The Earth and Moon are inextricably linked via their mutual gravitational pull. The moon's primary effect on the Earth is that of tides. These twice daily tides inflict a barely perceptible drag on the Earth's rotation, causing the Earth's natural day to lengthen and the moon's orbit to recede. Because both gravitational forces and friction loss can be computed and predicted mathematically, we can determine how close the moon could orbit before resulting in lunar destruction or eradication of life on Earth. With this in mind, the Earth-Moon relationship cannot possibly be more than 1.2 billion years old, and geological evidence indicates that it is much younger. Declining magnetic field. To this, the evolutionists must yield. Studies over the past 140 years show a consistent decay rate in the Earth's magnetic field. At this rate, in as few as 25,000 years ago, the Earth would have been unable to support life because of the heat from the electric current. Jupiter and Saturn, not an evolutionist kind of burn. These two planets radiate more heat than they receive from the sun. If they were billions of years old, both planets would have reached equilibrium and no longer be able to lose more heat than they receive. Stay tuned for more.